Thank you for logging on to view this video. This will be a short tutorial on how to upload your syllabus or add your syllabus to your course. First, you will need to go to your files, and under Files, select Files. In Files, you will upload the document, choose the document, and in this case I already have the file added, but it has replaced it or updated a new one. I will go back to my course. In your course, you will choose Syllabus, go to Edit, Files, and upload a new file. Choose the file and go to Upload. You will now see that the file has been uploaded, and then update your syllabus. When your student or yourself click on the syllabus, you will see that it's downloaded, or it will also give you the option to preview the document. The other way you can add your syllabus is to go to the Edit option again. We're going to space down. We're going to open up the document that we'd like to copy. We're going to do a Control-Alt or Command-A. Control-A or Command-A. You will then also do a Control-C or Command-C. Go back to the syllabus description box, do Control-V or Command-V, and paste your document. You will now see that your document is added into the syllabus description box, and you will update the syllabus. Your syllabus is now viewable either by downloading, preview, or also by the student opening up and being able to see the document. Thank you for watching this video.